Good day everyone. Today I have Xiaomi Mi A3, the latest Android 11 version, that is 12.0.8 fast boot release for the Xiaomi Mi A3. Right now my Xiaomi Mi A3 is on Android 11. Let me show my mobile phone about settings, about phone. Here we go. I have Android 11 and build number that I am having currently right now is 12.0.3. So I will flash the latest 12.0.8 on my Mi A3 manually. Somehow you are not getting the OTA update. You can manually flash the latest version of Android 11 12.0.8 on Mi A3. But before, you need to unlock the bootloader first. If you don't know how to unlock the bootloader, I will provide the link tutorial video in my video description. You can watch that video, unlock the bootloader, and then you can apply these steps. Unlocking bootloader will be done instantly. Let's start the video. And before going forward, let me inform you few things that if you have a data on your internal storage, save all the data. This procedure will format everything. Check the battery should be charged around 50% and go to settings, then to screen password. If you have set security screen password, then turn it off and then go to accounts, sync your Google account and then remove it. Must save all your internal storage data. Well, I assume that your set bootloader must be unlocked. Now you can power off the device. Moving towards my computer screen, link is provided in my video description. This is the website. Click the link, open this website, come to this website and scroll down. You're gonna see that the download Mi A3 stable fast boot ROM and version is 12.0.8. This is Android version 11. Click here on download. Other web page will get open. Check region global, device name Mi A3, device code name is Lauren, type stable and flash method must be fast boot. Then click on Xiaomi server. The download will get start. Download the fast boot ROM file for Mi A3. So this is my downloaded folder where I have already downloaded the Mi Flash. Links are provided in my video description. Download Mi Flash and then extract it. Open the extracted folder, double click the Mi Flash 2017 file, install it on your Windows. With the help of this Mi Flash, we are going to flash the Android 11 12.0.8 on Mi A3. And also the drivers will get installed after connecting the mobile phone with Windows. The fast boot ROM file, extract it must. After extracting it, open the extracted folder of ROM file. You will see another folder inside. Yes, double click on it and we have all the flashing files here. Well, you need to copy this particular folder that having all the flashing files from here and paste it to the main hard drive partition. That must be C, D, E, F or whatever options you have. I will copy that folder in my L partition. I will click on it and this is my main hard drive partition. I will paste that ROM folder here. Well, after copying the folder, you must rename this folder. Press F2 on the keyboard and then press the right arrow key on the keyboard and make the ROM folder name short, like bring it to M. That's it. Press enter. And double click the newly copied folder. You must see all the files of flashing. Come to the desktop. The Xiaomi Flash icon will be located on desktop after if you have installed it on your Windows. Double click the Xiaomi Flash. Click yes on next window. The Xiaomi Flash will get open. Click select. Go to that partition on main hard drive where I just copied that ROM folder. It was L. Click on it and here we go. You will see the Laurus Sprout global image. Click on it. You must see the images folder, this one. then click OK. Now come back to the mobile phone. Mobile phone must be power off. We need to boot the mobile phone into fast boot mode. For that, press and hold the volume down key first, then power key. Release both keys immediately when fast boot screen appears. Here we go. Connect the cable with mobile phone. The other side of cable must be connected with computer. After connecting the cable, the Windows will give you a sound. Click refresh on Xiaomi Flash. The Mi Flash will detect the device. This progress bar means that the device is get connected and detected by the Mi Flash. Now come down here. If you want to relock the bootloader while after the flashing, then leave this selection like that. Do not change anything here. Flash all lock. Leave it like that. Just go up and click flash. The flashing will get start, and after that, when the flashing get complete, the bootloader will also get relock. So your set will get like a stock, purely stock. In case if you want to flash any other custom ROM, or you want to root your device, then you will need to leave the bootloader remain unlocked. So for those who do not want to relock the bootloader, come here, click on it, then select flash all, that's it, and then come here, click flash. The flashing will get start. It will take around 9 to 10 minutes. Just wait for it, let the flashing complete, then we will continue. Okay, the flashing got completed and the set will get reboot automatically. Disconnect the cable first from the mobile phone, and it will start booting to Android 11 stock ROM version 12.0.8. Computer work done. I will close Mi Flash. Finally, flashing went very well. I got the latest update of 12.0.8 on my Xiaomi Mi A3. I will go to settings, then to about phone. Here we go. Now the build number is got changed. Before it was 12.0.3 and now it is 12.0.8. And if we go to the Android security update date, it is 5th April 2021. So this is how we can manually flash the ROM file and update Mi A3 from 12.0.3 or 12.0.4 to 12.0.8, that is the stock Android 11 ROM. Hopefully you got helped by this video, and in case yes, then do not forget to like the video and also stay connected with me by subscribing my channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you again. Till then, goodbye.